Hello, this is part 2 of my first time bike build where I will hopefully be turning this Elves Falath Evo frame set into a functioning aero road bike. Today I'm just going to be attaching the brake calipers and running the hydraulic hoses. It should really only take a couple minutes, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to start off with actually attaching the caliper and running the hose through the fork for the front brake. These hoses came connected to the calipers. I don't really see any reason to take them off, so I'm just going to leave them on for now. And we're just going to slide the hydraulic hose through the channel. Get that into position. And then we're just going to attach this with these 2 bolts that it came with. We're not actually going to tighten them, just snug them down for now because it's going to get repositioned later anyway. In hindsight, it might have been easier to disconnect that hydraulic hose first, but we got it on, so good to go. And we'll just set that aside for now. Alright, so for the rear brake, the frame set came with these guide tubes already in there. So I'm just going to make a little masking tape bridge between the 2 hoses, or excuse me, between the hydraulic hose and the guide cable. And use that just to maneuver the hydraulic hose as I push it through. Alright, let's see how it goes. Alright, with the hose through, we'll just go ahead and attach the 2 bolts to this one. Alright, there we go. Those 2 bolts were actually pretty difficult to get into place. For a second I thought I cross-threaded it, but it actually seems like it was just paint on the threads in the bolt holes. So, should be good to go. Alright. Thanks for watching, and that's it for part 2. Stay tuned for part 3 where we'll be running the shift cables. Alright, thanks for watching.